It is in a way because
of entertainment industry.
Yes. Because there is just so many platforms available to actors जिनके पास पहले कुछ नहीं था. Either you had the Hindi film industry that you can, or which is the chances are very slim that you can be a part of something this big. But up now there is OTT, there is, like you said, YouTube also. Now there are tons of platforms.
So जब मैं film industry में आया था, I remember the film industry had gone on a strike, and उन्होंने सब एक्टरों को बोला शूटिंग नहीं कर सकते हो.
क्यों?
बस नहीं था, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया था तब. तो मैं आउटडोर में था, पहलाज नीलानी की शूटिंग कर रहा था, एंड विद धर्मेंद्र एंड शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, एंड ही कुड नॉट, ही हैड टू फिनिश हिज आउटडोर एंड कम बैक, एंड दे सेड नो स्टॉप शूटिंग. ही सेड मैं मर जाऊंगा, शूट नहीं करूंगा. तो आई हैव टू फिनिश आउटडोर में पर डे, तब 5-5 लाख रुपए लगते थे ना टू सपोर्ट. तो उन्होंने 3-4 दिन स्ट्राइक में शूटिंग की. तो यहाँ से मैसेज आया कि हम सब एक्टरों को बैन करेंगे जिन्होंने शूटिंग की है. कहाँ आप धर्मम जी और शत्रु जी को कहाँ बैन करने वाले हो?
Exactly.
चंकी पांडे बैन हो गया.
ये हुआ सीरियसली?
एक दिन के लिए बैन हो गया था, वो फिर बैन हटा दिया. बट सम रेजोल्यूशन. तो आई सेड दिस इज अ गुड स्टार्ट यार. मेरी पिक्चर रिलीज भी नहीं हुई है, बट पीपल टोल्ड मी यार तू गलत टाइम पे सिनेमा में आ रहा है, तो फिल्मों में गलत टाइम. ऐसे क्या गलत टाइम? मतलब इसे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बंद होने वाली है. ऐसे कैसे? इसे वीडियो कैसेट आ गया है भाई. घर घर में वीडियो कैसेट चलते थे.
करेक्ट, ऑफ कोर्स.
बट द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री बिकेम बिगर. See, our film industry, whether it is Bollywood, Tamil, Telugu, we love challenges, and so the film industry. Then they said, अच्छा बंद नहीं हुआ. Then came television. They said, 100% film industry band because private channels are there, Z and Star and all. But the film industry
evolved again. Yes.
Then they said, यार अब तो 200% खत्म है, OTT आ गया. Then came Bahubali. Then came YouTube and all these things, and look at the business today films are doing. Wow. Jawan and all, they're going through the roof with 500-700,000 crores business. The film industry has always evolved, and I'm happy to be and proud to be a part of it.
Can I ask you from a layman's point of view, from a layman's perspective? Yeah, even when I hear that a film has made say 1,000 crores, 2,000 crores, 3,000, this is a number I honest to God, I don't even know कितने zeros है इसमें यार.
नहीं, why? Because I can tell you one thing for sure. We are very low in cinema theaters in India compared to the other countries.
Is it?
Yeah, because China...
That's very hard to believe, in India especially.
Yeah, we are only at about 12,000 cinema theaters. And we share the 12,000 with Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Bengali, everything. America is at about 80,000, and China is at about 1 lakh cinema theaters.
That's a big...
So we have a lot of room to grow. I mean, so there's sky's the limit. Once we open up more, I mean, just imagine if we double our theatres from 12 to 24. Imagine what the business will be.
Of course. I mean, I'm just assuming that 12,000, if a film is earning that much money, I can only imagine what it does with double. Who gets this money?
Not me. No, I get some of it.
So where does this, I just as a layman point of view, I want to understand.
I mean, of course, because my बाप तो film का producer ही होता है ना, वही अपने पैसे डाल के film बनाता है.
ठीक है.
तो he is like the father.
Okay, so
he gets... Then the director is like the mother. Father, mother. And then we are like the children. I mean, you know, they make a film.
Yeah.
So we are paid for it.
Yeah.
And then, of course, there are the top line actors who are the main heroes. They are on the profit sharing.
You're talking about Amir Khan and all.
Whatever. I mean, there are a lot of heroes.
Yeah.
So let me explain even economics of film industry, how it works.
Yeah.
जब मैं गोविंदा अनिल कपूर आए थे, so I don't know what Anil was charging, but I and Govinda were charging around about 20-25 lakhs for a film.
Okay.
In that time, in Bandra, you could buy a 3-bedroom apartment with that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. At 25 lakhs in 87, you could get
a big, yeah.
3-bedroom.
Wow.
Today, a 3-bedroom costs 10 crores.
True.
And the heroes are charging 10 crores true. As an entry level. So it's just inflation. But the mechanics is the same.
It's the same.
Yeah.
But the producer is the end.
Of course, because see, come on, he's taking the risk. हमारे time में तो बहुत ही अलग चीजें थी, because you know films at that time there were no big studios financing or anything. तो ये market से पैसे उठाते थे film बनाने के लिए. कभी-कभी अपना घर गिरवी करके, या फिर you know the jewelry they used to put on thing. They used to get financiers from out of town to give them money at low interest, make them profit partners. But इतना कुछ करके एक passion से एक story बोलना चाहते थे. And that's why those films really freaked out at that time. That's why you love those older films, because the producer wanted to tell the story and the director wanted to tell it and everyone wanted to tell it. Now, Of course, it's become more professional. The films are bigger. The films are better. I mean, better as to because you have to evolve with the audience.
Quality is different, of course.
But now it's a different thing. It's more corporate. You know, there's finance coming in. The monies are bigger. The stakes are bigger.
Yeah, I've heard this a lot. Everyone says this quite often, that obviously उस time पे वो Prem sir said this. He said, it was like a family making a film together. You know, it was like that. Like everyone
तो घर से खाना लेके आया.
Hi, I'm Ankit, from Timeout with Ankit. So we are pretty new at this. Like and subscribe. If you like our content, it motivates us to do better.